Well, sometimes, obviously, when I lose, it's feel very bad because what I was thinking that I always want to, make up. If I can make it out, uh, proud feel to my country. That is always keep in my mind. I'm always try my best. And sometimes that cannot possible. I cannot make it out through. Uh, Maybe because of some weakness. I don't have much. Maybe because I don't have much exposure. I don't have much experience. That's just happened. Not only me, even many people, many athletes also. Even though a champion, like in other sports discipline also, it's always happen. But that's make you. That's make me when I lose. That's make me more to learn something. I feel like I have still not that perfect one. I will try to make it out, train hard, and through always keep strong to me. Yes, one day you can, I can. That is, if I cannot through, sometime, one day, that will be coming in my future. And I keep motivating myself. That is, I learn so many things, a lot when I lose also. Keep pushing myself in future, upcoming competition that this time not possible, next time will be possible. So that I did. That was always I did, and well, from the beginning and till now, that is maybe after marriage and after children, who can? So smart. Only Mary Kom, still now. But think about even in the future, think about in the future, who can? Yes, you also can. Yahi to. Always keep motivating that I have to prove. Mostly in our country, that women are not getting much support. Now it's already changed, since last 5 years back. Most of the people, they are more aware in sports also, even education also. For the past year, very hard. We are struggle and effort. That is, and what I have, that is patience. The patience which can never, take out from me. Is it? So if you have that passion, nobody can take out from you. Please, next question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
you have a guidance of wonderful coaches. How important is a good coach and mentor in one's life?
Only good coach, not bad coach. Question was wrong.
Both coaches.
you just mentioned a good and a bad coach also. Because in my life, I have that the difficulties. I have many things. Maybe you might not know. From the beginning was. Now you are so lucky. You all are very lucky. Good institution, Ellen institution. See how lucky you are. How lucky you are. In my case was, in the beginning was, we have a chief coach, right? Chief coach is not a qualified coach. If I see the biodata, he doesn't play national, he doesn't play international, and I think once he played university, college, are babre. I was shocked. And that was I used to know later on only when I have already achieved in world title 1, 2. I'm not noticed at all the coach achievement and all. So, but not because of the good coach. My coach actually, the beginner coach was from Manipur. We have good coach in Manipur. We have teach, mostly from basic only, they are giving a basic. It was fabulous actually. How to tell, like it's difficult to express, And from that only, we don't have much time there. After state championship, national, and we cannot spend many years with the beginner coach. And we have already come to the national level, in a national coaching training. And I'm talking about national, those who are with us, they are not qualified at all. And but I still somehow I learn from my own states proper basic, so I can hard work. I can double hard work in the camp. Only the physical fitness they can teach me. Like in the beginning was we are like a horse. How much we are, how much we run, how much we run. तरह कुत्ता जैसा घोड़ा जैसा भगाता है. Because they don't know how to just basic. भाग जान लगाओ. That's all they know. मैं सोचा 2 बार 3 बार तो जान लगाया. एवरी राउंड में कैसे जान लगा सकती हूँ. वो तो शायद वो तो सोच रहे हैं जल्दी मर जाओ. लग रहा है मेरे को ऐसे ना कि कहाँ से एनर्जी आएगा. एंड दैट टाइम देयर इज नॉट गुड फैसिलिटी एट ऑल. खाना भी इतना अच्छा नहीं दिया. पंखा रूम में सुलाया. और हम लोग ट्रेन में दैट इज ऑल्सो स्लीपर क्लास. How much we are suffering, no, that time. बहुत ज़्यादा. लेकिन that's also good learning from learning. I learn a lot of things. I learn many things that I have to fight, throughout. Then only later on I will be अच्छा बन सकती हूँ. आप लोग बुरा, मैं भी here student, आप लोग भी शायद हाई क्लास का हो, बच्चे लोग भी होगा, मिडिल क्लास का भी, लो का भी होगा. ये डिफरेंट अपना फैमिली वो होता है. बट जो गरीब लोग का बच्चा लोग भी, हम गरीब हो गया तो फिर मैं कुछ नहीं बन सकेगा, कभी नहीं सोचना है. और मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं, मिडिल क्लास हाई क्लास का बच्चा लोग भी है. मैं अमीर का बच्चा हूँ, मैं कुछ भी बन जाऊंगी, कभी मत सोचना. लेकिन मेहनत नहीं करूंगी तो कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है. तुम्हारा बाप का प्रॉपर्टी में आप जिंदगी का योर फ्यूचर कैन नॉट राइट. कुछ बनना है तो यू हैव टू लर्न मेनी थिंग्स, डिफिकल्ट भी और गुड, अच्छा भी, बुरा भी, खराब भी, वो भी, सब कुछ सीखना पड़ता है. सीखेगा तब फिर you will know that. पता चलेगा. And mostly what I did, मैं गरीब फैमिली से हूँ आया, और मैं सब लोग को प्यार देना चाहती हूँ. मैं भी on the street में बैगर लोग हो जो, और कोई फटा हुआ इंसान, दादी दादा हो, कौन भी, ऑल मैन ऑल वुमेन, मोर रेस्पेक्टफुल. मैं ऐसे नहीं इतना फटा हुआ करे चलो भाग, नेवर डू. मैं कभी ऐसे नहीं करती हूँ. वो भी इंसान है. और अमीर लोग भी कोट सूट टाई में फॉर्मल आ गया तो वो मैं ज़्यादा रेस्पेक्टफुल करूँ, ऐसे नहीं. ठीक है, तो ऐसे अच्छा ह्यूमैनिटी वाइज में भी बहुत सीखने वाला है. और वो भी इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लर्न, यू हैव टू लर्न. तो गुड कोर्स मेरे ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारे सीखे. मेरा आंसर दूसरा साइड में बहुत स्टोरी आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन, बट मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ बस. आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दिस, द ट्रूथ, द रियलिटी. तो गुड कोच में बहुत ज़्यादा सीखा, बैड कोच का भी बहुत ज़्यादा सीखा. जो अच्छा में अच्छा लगता है, जो अच्छा लगा आपके ज़िंदगी में, जो आपको यूज़फुल होगा वही सीखो. जो बैड कोच जो कुछ भी आपको सिखाया, बिहाइंड यू कीप इन बिहाइंड ओनली, तो पीछे रखो. जो यूजफुल नहीं होगा पीछे में रखो बस. इसमें लेना देना नहीं तो बाहर में जा, बस हो गया ना. तो मेहनत तो करना ही है. इफ यू वांट टू अचीव समथिंग इन लाइफ, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, हार्ड वर्क. दैट्स ओनली. देन वन डे यू विल डेफिनेटली कुछ तो होगा, बनेगा.